Jai Swaminarayan student. Today we are going to learn about the conversion of a octal number to decimal. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the conversion of a binary number to decimal. Now, today we are going to convert a number given in the octal, and you have to convert this number into the binary. Okay, so in this you have to follow the same procedure which we have studied in the binary to decimal conversion. Okay, now we will study using one example. Suppose you have given a one number 17. આપણને કોઈ એક નંબર આપ્યું છે 17 and that number is to be converted into the binary decimal. So first we have to write the number, that is 17, then place the digit 0 and 1. Now you have given a number of octal, so we have to put here 8. અહીંયા આપણે કેટલા મૂકવાના છે 8. If it is a binary number, then we have to put here 2. But here the number is given is a octal, then we have to put here 8. Now place this digit in the power of 8. So 8 raised to 0 and 8 raised to 1. Okay, then put here is equal to, multiply these two. So it's a 1 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to 0. Multiply these two. Okay, so 8 raised to 1 is a 8. 8 ones are 8. So put here 8. 7. What is 8 raised to 0? 8 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 7 into 1, that is 7. So here is the answer is 8 plus 7 is the 50. So our answer is 5. Okay. Again we are going to understand this example. Write down your given digit, that is 17. Okay. Then put 0 and 1 from the right side. Then put 8. Then put this digit is in the power. Then multiply these two digits. Okay. Then put plus. Then again multiply these two digits. And then follow the solve the example. So in this way we can convert the given octal number into the decimal. We are going to take the another example. Example number 2. Suppose you have given a 25.2. Okay, so it is to be converted into a decimal. આપણે એને decimal માં લઈ જવું છે. So you have given the fractional number. So put here 2, 5, 2. From the point, start writing down the 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, and the right side you have to put minus. Then put 8. Place this digit in the power. So 8 raised to 1, then 8 raised to 0, and 8 raised to minus 1. Now multiply these two. So it's a 2 into 8 raised to 1. Then again plus. Then put this 5 into 8 raised to 0. Then again plus. Then multiply these two. So it's a 2 into 8 raised to minus 1. So 8 raised to 1 is a 8. So 2 8s is a 16. This is 5. 5 is multiplied by 1. 8 raised to 0 is a 1. So 5 into 1 is a 5. Then 2. This is a minus. This is the minus power. So we have to make it a plus. How we can make it plus? Put that in the denominator. So it's a 2 by 8. So 2 4s are 8. So 16 plus 5, that is 21. That is 21. And here is a 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? It's a 0.25. So our answer is 21.25. Okay. So here is the answer 21.25. In this way we can convert the number from octal to decimal. આપણે octal to decimal માં એને કન્વર્ટ કરી શકીએ છીએ. નાઉ we will going to the next example. આપણે આગળના એક્ઝામ્પલ માં જઈશું. So the example number 3. Suppose you have given a number only 0.24 and it is to be converted into the decimal. આપણે decimal માં લઈ જવા છે. So first put here 0.24, then put digit 0. Okay, here is a -1 and -2. Then put 8, so 8, 8, 8. Then place these digits in the power. So it's a 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to -1, 8 raised to -2. Now multiply these two digits. So 0 into 8 raised to 0 plus 2 into 8 raised to -1 plus 4 into 8 raised to -2. So it's a 4 into 8 raised to -2. Okay, so it is multiplied with 0, so it may be a 0. 2 into 8 raised to -1, so we have to put 8 into denominator, so that this power will be plus. Same 4. Okay, so this is 0, this is 2 by 8, means it's a 1 by 4. Here is a 4. This power will be plus, so 4 by 64. So 4 into 64 is 16. So 1 by 4, that is, and 1 upon 60. Now put here, what is 1 by 4? It's a 0.25. What is 1 by 16? It's a 0. Okay, 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 means it's a 0.0625. So our answer is 0. This is 2. Sorry, this is 2. 5. 5 plus 6 is a 1. Carry 1 and it's a 3125. So this is our answer. So answer is 0.3125. Okay. So in this way we can convert the given octal number to decimal. આપણે કોઈપણ નંબરને octal નંબરથી આ પ્રોસિજરને ડેસિમલમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી શકીએ છીએ. So the next example number 4. Take one example, that is 1, 2, 3. This is the octal number and it is to be converted into the decimal. So put here 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. So put here 8, 8, 8. So 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2. Multiply these two, x square into 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 3 into 8 raised to 0. So x square into 1 is a 64. 2 into 8 is a 16 plus 3. So it's a 80 and 83. So answer is 83. Okay, you can directly write these steps only. This is not required, but for the understanding we have to write these steps. Okay, now I will give you a homework of this method, so you have to continue the homework. Okay, so the homework for today is the example number 1. The 1 number example is 2, 4, 6 and it is to be converted into the decimal. 5, 3, 9, 2. This for example you have to write. Okay, just note down this example. Okay, I think you all have the not done the example. Now further we are going to the next method. The next method is the conversion of a octal number to binary. The conversion of octal number to binary. Okay, so first octal to binary. First you have to remember that to find the octal number to binary, you have to remember the binary of 0 to 7. આપણને 0 to 7 ના બાઇનરી યાદ હોવા જોઈએ. Whenever you write the binary of the octal number, then write binary in the group of 3 bits. આપણે કેટલા બિટ્સના ગ્રુપમાં લખવાનું છે? 3 બીટના ગ્રુપમાં બાઇનરી લખવાનું છે. We will see here, suppose we have number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have these 7 numbers which are known as a octal number. આ જે 7 numbers છે, આ નંબરને આપણે octal number તરીકે ઓળખીએ છીએ. The binary of 0, you know that the binary of 0 is a 0. The binary of 1 is a 1. Binary of 2 is a 1 0. 3 is a 1 1. 4 is a 1 0 0. 5 is a 1 0 1. 6 is a 1 1 0. 7 is a 1 1 1. These are the binary form of the 0 to 7. But to write the binary of the octal number, we have to put the group of 3 bits. Now see here, here is only 1 0. Here is only 1 bit. This is known as a bit. This is known as a bit. Here is only 1 0 you have given. Okay, so you have to put extra 2 0 in front. આપણે આગળ બે extra 0 મૂકવાના છે. See here. Then here is only 1 bit, so we have to put here 0. Here is a 2 bits are there, so we have to put only 1 0. Here is a 2 bits are there, and this has a 3 bits, so there is no requirement to put the extra 0. નીચેના જે છે 4 5 6 અને 7 એની અંદર બાઇનરી 3 માં છે. It is in the group of 3 bits, so there is a no requirement to write down the extra 0. Okay, now we are going to the example. The example number 1, write down the binary of this number. Okay, so first put here 1 2. Now see on that table what is the binary of 1, that is 0 0 1. So we have to put here 0 0 1. What is the binary of 2, that is 0 1 0. So put here 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the binary of 1 2, that is 0 0 1 0 1 0. So you can directly write here 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the very easy method, but you have to remember this binary forms of the 0 to 7. Now going to the example number 2. First you have given 6 2 3, and it is to be converted into the binary, that is 6 to 3. So put here 6 2 3. See what is the binary of 6, that is 1 1 0. So put here 1 1 0. What is the binary of 2, that is 0 1 0. What is the binary of 3, that is 0 1. So you can write 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, so this is our answer. So in this way you can convert the given octal number into the binary. We are going to the third example. આપણે બીજા નંબરનું એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું તો વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે. You have given 70.04. 70.04. So put here 7004. What is the binary of 7? That is 111. Binary of 0 is a 000. Binary of 0 again is a 000. The binary of 4 is a 100. So put here point. So our answer is 111000. Then in a question there is a point, so we have to put here point. Then 0 0 0 1 0. So this is our answer. Okay. Okay. In this way we can convert. We will see the next example. આપણે આગળ example જોઈશું. So the example number 4. One, 2, 3.3, and this is to be converted into the binary. So put here whatever your number is there. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 3. Here is the point. What is the binary of 1? It's a 0, 0, 1. What is the binary of 2? 0, 1, 0. What is the binary of 3? 0, 1, 1. What is the binary of 3? 0, 1, 1. Now you can write these first two. If you will not write, then it will be okay. But this 0 you have to write. Okay? So our answer. But the practice makes you have to write this 0. So there is a less chance of mistake. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, point. Then 0, 1. Okay? So this is our answer. In this way, we can convert the given numbers from octal to the binary. આપણે આ રીતે octal નું binary conversion કરી શકીએ છીએ. Now I am giving you a homework. So you have to practice at your home. તમે જાતે practice કરી શકો છો. Okay? So the first homework is okay. So this for example you have to write. So in the today's lecture we have studied the different types of conversion. The first conversion we have studied from the conversion of octal numbers. Today's lecture you have studied the topic number 1 is octal to decimal, and the second part you have studied that octal to binary. So in the workbook you have to convert the numbers from octal to decimal and octal to binary. The given example you have to solve. Okay? And solve the workbook by using pencil only. In the next lecture, we will study that the conversion of a hexadecimal number to decimal and a hexadecimal to binary. That we will study in the next lecture. Jai Swaminarayan.